Okay, let's look at question 13. All right. Okay, the organic molecule has this composition, ability to rotate plane polarized light. So that means it has a chiral carbon, all right, probably a chiral carbon, and no cyclic structure. Okay, so I believe most of you will be able to get the empirical formula. Okay, you just divide by the, this is a percentage mass. So once you divide by the MR, which is like 12, divide by 1, divide by 16, you get these ratios. All right, and then you know it's 1 to 1. Okay, so if you started to think about what is the smallest number of carbon that can have this molecule, means this carbon has a chiral center, we'll do it bit by bit. So if this was a molecular formula, I can see that this is probably the structure, okay? And it doesn't have any chiral carbon, so this is out. So if you move on to 2 times 2, so the times 2 means it'll be CH2O times 2, which means it's a C2H4O2. All right, and we try to draw it out, you realize that there will not be any chiral carbon. Okay, so let's look at it. These are the drawings, 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have one double bond. All right, and you can't get a chiral carbon from here. Okay, so which means the only possibility is to increase it by times 3. So CH2 times 3. So you try to draw C3H6O3. So if you try to draw C3H6O3, you can start to draw a chiral carbon. All right, so this is the structure. Okay, so which means, yeah, this is a chiral carbon, which means the smallest number of carbon must be 3. All right.